Habibtis, we're gonna make dusting powder. So in Arabic, it's known as boodrah al-Latte. So you're gonna get your jar and
Marhaba, kaifa haluka? It's me, B, and sorry if I messed that up. I literally only took 2 semesters of Arabic in college, so bear with me, y'all. We're about to make our own dusting powder. I got this cutesy little iridescent set. I think I got this in Amazon, maybe. I can't remember. Um, and I'm pretty sure it came with a little powder duster thingy. Actually, I got a 2-pack of these. One was pink and one was purple. I can't remember what I did with the pink one, so we're going with the purple today. So this is my first time doing this. I'm a little bit nervous. Ooh. But I wanted to try it out and see. So I actually got a gift set. I can't remember who it was. Somebody gave me these as a gift set, the Marc Jacobs Daisy line. It's like the 3 different ones. This one's a mini tester for Daisy Oh So Fresh. I've got one for Daisy Wild, and I just have the regular Daisy. And I just think it's so cute how they have these little aesthetic little flowers on there. So I'm really only going to use 2 of these today. I like the way these 2 smell together. This is the Oh So Fresh and the Wild. So I'm going to use those as my perfume scent. I do have my Ariana Grande Cloud Body Mist. And I'm not so sure about this, but this is supposed to be cherry almond body oil. I haven't smelled it yet, so I don't know if it's the right scent that I want, but I got this cornstarch body powder from Dollar Tree, I'm pretty sure. They only have the lavender kind. I seen a whole bunch of people having like the pink one, which is one I really wanted, but I figured lavender is good, like helps you go to sleep. Yeah, so I got one fresh scent and one lavender. I'm gonna mix those. And then I think that was it, y'all. So let's get to mixing our powder. I'm so excited. Hold on. Let me pause you. Okay, hey, I got you down at a different angle. So let's go ahead and get to mixing. I'm so excited. Ooh, I've been wanting to do this for a minute, but oh, first thing I was gonna say, if you bought a new dish like I did, make sure you sanitize with some alcohol first, y'all. Okay. Clean it up, and then we're just gonna douse our powder first. So they say you put it in layers, right? Woo. Okay. I'm gonna take my first one and douse it with my Ariana Grande Cloud. I just recently fell in love with this scent, so any of my Ariana Grande fellow lovers out there, and they say the more you douse it, the better, because it'll just soak up more. Pretty sure I did that right. Okay, y'all tell me in the comments if I did that wrong. And then you take another round of powder over top of that one. And I definitely bought too many of these because I really didn't know how much powder came out of one. So, what else? Then I'm going to take my cherry almond oil. Let me see what it smells like. This is my first time buying this because I used to buy it from like a pre-made one, but I just bought this generic one. Ooh, she's strong, y'all. She's real strong. Okay, let's close her up. Then we put some more powder on top of that one. I hope I'm doing this right. Making y'all dusting powder queens proud. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Oh. Okay. Yeah, a lot actually comes out of this thing. Okay, so here's where I'm gonna go ahead. Ooh, be careful. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my Marc Jacobs perfume. I'm still gonna keep these bottles though. I don't care who's gonna say what. Yeah, this was the perfect amount, honestly. Like one of these will soak for one pad. One of these tester bottles. So really, if you don't want to commit to, okay, and I will say that, like, this is free will here. Play around with it, Bookie, okay? Because you could do it your way, you could do it my way, you could BK, have it your way, whatever you want, okay? This is just the sense that I like and what I know I will enjoy thoroughly. Smelling like a goddess all week. Okay. Not like I don't normally, but I feel like this dusting powder will make it last a lot longer. Lord, the cleanup. It's getting everywhere. Oh, I think we're getting down to the last, y'all. Okay, hold on. Let me save a little bit for our second. And please, you dusting powder queens, you vets, please tell me if I'm doing it wrong, honey child Bookie, please. Let me know something in the comments. Okay. So this is our second one. And when I say this is my first time, I probably should have clarified. I've mixed these scents together before, so I know I'm going to like the way that they smell together. But it is my first time making this dusting powder. So we're learning together. So cute. Thank you to whoever bought me that set. You a true friend. You a true friend. I love it. I love it a lot. I don't know. Something in my spirit is just telling me to spray some more of that Ariana Grande on there. Okay, I'm going to top it off. Now the key, what I read from the girlies online, they said you really should take this and put it in a baggie and shake it up. Hold on. Okay, I gotta hurry up. This is taking forever. Okay, so take your concoction, dump it in a bag. Make sure it all gets in there. Okay. So I'm just going to gently mix this up. And the key is to make sure you don't forget in a couple of hours. Like they said, 3 to 4 hours. You need to remove the cotton pads, guys. Like that's the thing. If you don't remove the cotton pads, this is going to be a moldy mess in a few days. Got some more spillage. This smells so heavenly. Oh my word. Okay. Just want to make sure they're all tucked in there real good. So again, I'm going to remove this. Oh my word, my heavens, y'all. It smells so good. I don't think I can wait. Hold on. It's just dusty dust. I hope y'all can hear me good. So first you're supposed to take your oil, whatever body oil, then you take your dusting powder,